So you're thinking about moving to Memphis in the Mid-South. Well, today I'm going to take you on a little trip to Hernando, Mississippi, about 10 miles south of Memphis, Tennessee. Lots of people work in Memphis and live in Hernando. Hernando is primarily residential, and they are building a lot over there. So I'm going to take you into some new construction, some new builds that are in the Hernando area. I'm going to showcase Skylight Construction and what kind of product they're putting out. They put out a fantastic product. And by that, I mean they build great neighborhoods and they are working on something really cool. We'll get into that later. Now let's get to Hernando. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Memphis in the Mid-South, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications, and you'll be the first one to know all the current market updates. Hi, I'm Amy Clark with Realtors. I'm your local go-to realtor for everything Memphis in the Mid-South. I get calls every day from people just like you needing to move to Memphis in the area. Whether you are coming in 9 weeks, 9 months, or 9 days, I'll be happy to help make that move as smooth as possible. All right, now let's take a closer look at Crosswinds, built by Skylight Construction, and we're gonna go to Crosswinds, see what that neighborhood's all about. This is the Boxwood floor plan with Skylight Construction, and we're gonna go in here. It's 2,200 square feet. Let's see what Skylight Construction has to offer. Nice front porch. Okay, so you walk in the front door and your stairs are right here to the right, upstairs. This is your living room, kitchen, dining room combo. Gas fireplace, great windows, neutral paint color on the wall, light fixtures, can lights, pendant lights, good sink, dishwasher, nice island, good cabinets in this. So your refrigerator will go here, and your oven is gonna go here. Let's see. Nice cabinets. It's kind of a gray color. That is the door to the garage. And this is your dining room. Covered patio, and all the way to where it's sodded out there is your yard. So you can kind of tell from the neighbor's yard, that's a good sized lot. Covered patio with a fan. Standing in the dining room, looking at the kitchen to the living room, all the way to the front door. So back here, you have your laundry room and a little mud area here. Laundry room with cabinets. We'll go into the primary bedroom. Tray ceilings, lots of windows in here. This is really nice. And the luxury plank flooring. Primary bathroom. So this is finished out really nicely. So you have a standalone tub. Right here behind the tub is your walk-through shower. So you can walk in this way, and there's 2 shower heads. Water's working. 2 shower heads. You walk straight out. And they added custom shelving and cabinets in here in this walk-in closet. That's really nice. Water closet, okay. And a second large walk-in closet. That's really nice too. We got double sinks, his and hers. Good sized primary bedroom, separated from the rest of the house. So their primary bedroom's in the back of the house. Walking through the kitchen again. You can see the granite. It's kind of a little sparkly granite on the little island here. Looks nice, very nice. In the front, around, so you have 2 bedrooms downstairs. And your bathroom. And your bathroom is tiled all the way up into the shower, all the way to the ceiling. It's tiled all the way down. And your sink. Nice tile on the floor and on the shower surround. So that's 3 bedrooms downstairs. These are finished out flooring on the hardwood stairs. Very nice. Three bedrooms downstairs, and this is the only thing that's up here, but this is a 4th bedroom because there is a closet here and there's attic access right here. So your attic access. So this could be used as a bedroom or a game room. Built-in bookshelves, little seating area, and you can see the backyard. More attic access. So in this room, game room or bedroom, it could be 2 walk-in attics, which is nice, and your closet, and a little sitting area. This is great. All right, let's go look at the next one, the next floor plan. This is the Boxwood, 2,200 square feet. So we're standing here in front of the Poppy. This is Skylight Construction, and this model is the Poppy. So it's 2,419 square feet. It's gonna have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and a bonus room. All right, let's go in. Let's see what this one looks like. Look at this beautiful front door. Really tall front door, nice archway here. Let's walk in here. Ooh, same flooring, nice dark wood flooring, I like that. You're gonna have a gas fireplace here and a covered back porch. Let's look at this lot. These lots are pretty nice. These are big size lots. Standing here in the eat-in kitchen. Nice fixtures. And then you have your pantry. This is a larger island here, so that's pretty nice. Lots of cabinet space. So your kitchen's open to the living room. Refrigerator goes there. And your stove. You have pendant lights here. And can lighting everywhere. So I love the recessed can lighting. That's really nice. It's a dining room and an eat-in kitchen. So that is spectacular, where you have your eat-in kitchen here. And right in the front here, you have your dining room. That's good. You normally don't get both in an open kitchen, an open layout when you have your living room, your dining room, breakfast. All right, we're gonna walk through the hall here. This is the Poppy model, and the stairs are in the back of the house here. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a bonus room. Now this is your laundry room. Laundry room with your little mud area here, where you have your cabinets, built-in cabinets for your coats and shoes, washer and dryer, and 2-car garage. So walk in from the garage right into the laundry room, into the little mud room. Okay. This is the model home. This one's not for sale, but they can build it. So this is the primary bedroom. This one's not furnished. That's okay. And you have a soaking tub with your stand-up shower, glass surround. Lots of light in this bathroom. And a walk-in closet. Okay. Good size walk-in closet. With, I love the permanent shelving. The shelving is great. We got 2 sinks here, solid surface countertops. We'll go upstairs in just a second. So downstairs we have the primary living room, okay? And 2 bedrooms down here and your bathroom on this side of the house. So good sized bedrooms, nice windows. Here's a great bathroom, again with the same flooring that you have on the shower surround. And so 3 bedrooms downstairs. And let's march up the stairs. Let's see what's going on up here. Beautifully finished stairs again. Bathroom and 2 more bedrooms. So this is either a bonus room or a bedroom. Let's see. It's gonna be a bedroom because there's a closet. Nice windows, big windows in here. Good sized bedroom. Little overlooking. Fifth bed. The closets with the built-in shelving. That is great. And then your canned lights again. This house has a lot of natural light in it because of all the windows. All right, let's see what else Skylight has to offer us. We're gonna go to another side of town and look at something else. This is a new development we're starting. Skylight Construction is developing this property, and it's called Delta Landing. It's going to be a commercial property and single family living. So in phase 1, they're doing 3 lakes. They're doing a playground and a park, and the retail shops with the flats on the top. The flats are 1 and 2 bedroom leases, and they're starting those. There are going to be 29 of those. There are going to be 16 condos on Onward Point and 27 single family homes in Bellwood Grove. So that's what we're starting here right now in the first phase of the construction. As you can see, all of this is about to be built up, and we've got the roads going in now, and we can do pre-sales right now. So starting pre-sales, you can get in and be moved in next year. And there you have it. We went to the Crosswinds, built by Skylight Construction. We first looked at the Boxwood floor plan, and that Boxwood floor plan is about 2,200 square feet and under $400,000. So that one's ready to go, and it's for sale right now. They are building about 150 homes in this neighborhood, so there's lots of buildings still to go on, and you can pick from a number of floor plans in this neighborhood. But we saw the Boxwood first, and then we saw the Poppy. The Poppy was actually the model home that's not for sale yet, but you can pick this floor plan and they can build it for you right around $400,000. A little more than 400, maybe 410, 411. So that's 2,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms and a bonus room. So that's fantastic. These houses are great. Skylake does a great job in building their houses. And the best part was the other side of Hernando, right at 269 and McInville Road, which is in the northern part of Hernando. So they are building the Delta Landing, living redefined. So Delta Landing is gonna be retail and then living above that. So the flats are gonna be above that. And they're building this community with 3 lakes and different phases of the house development. And they're gonna start with 29 units on the flats. That's gonna be the little places, the 1 and 2 bedroom houses above the retail shop, and those will be available to lease. And then they're gonna build 16 condominiums, which will be able to buy, and 27 single family homes in one area, and 63 single family homes in the other area. But it's a walkable community. So you can walk to dinner, you can walk home, you can jump in your golf cart, drive up there, and that's all starting. It's right across the street from the elementary school, brand new elementary school, Hernando Hills Elementary School, being built right now. And next door to the Delta Landing, there are currently just acres and acres and acres of cotton. The cotton's in bloom right now, and they're harvesting it, and it's just absolutely stunning, stunningly beautiful to look at. So that's Hernando and what Skylake Construction is doing down here in Mississippi.